Okay, that gives us something to work over. It's not particularly bright green, but that would do. We can put a bit of texture in here and there. But now I want to use my medium hake to put in some dark trees. Now for my dark trees, I'm just going to clean the palette, I think. I'm using a 64GB memory card in the new Panasonic camera, which you kindly paid for over the months. Thank you very much, do appreciate it. That's what you support when you become a patron, you help pay for the materials and stuff. And it's much appreciated, I can tell you. I don't get much out of YouTube. The Windows editor, you plug the memory card into the computer, well in my case a laptop or a notebook, so Windows or Microsoft thing, HP anyway, and it just downloads, and then then it goes somewhere. You have to find it, usually on your file page or somewhere. The 3 video or the 4 videos, however many you're going to put together, and then you go to the bottom corner of your laptop computer and just go into the search box at the bottom left hand corner and put in video editor. Well, you just have to click it on it now. It recognises what I'm going to do and comes up with a video editor. And you just copy and paste, or drag and drop, whatever. And you can edit it, quite a simple editor, and you can have music, and then you can get all your videos in one place, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go, and if you're happy with them, that's it. Then go to the top right hand corner of the editor, or to save anyway, press that, and then you go to wherever you want it to go. It's quite good. Well, looking at my sky there, that was a quick pause. We've come back live. Oh, okay, right. I'll mix some ultramarine, cadmium yellow, and Payne's grey. Payne's grey, yellow, red. No, we want red. So we want plenty of. So that'll give us quite a dark tone and horizon. So let's just bung it on. Quite a delicate operation, this. Bit wet. I'll take a bit of that out. And just go across the horizon with your trees. This I think paper is a little bit smoother than the Fabriano £130 paper, studio paper, practice paper. And you can get a good bit of dry brush with it. But this one is a little bit tricky. Don't make all your trees the same or the same height. Vary. Bit red, bit yellow. A bit of shadow in there. Sort of a meadow. This little hake is getting a little bit ragged at the top. It's like the Jackson's hake, which is quite jagged. Look, but that's okay. We can utilise that effect. A bit of yellow in there. Okay. Right, now we want to start to texture this now. We'll put a bit of filigree in there. Not sure whether this paper lifts out very well. Yeah, it does. All part of the texture. Right, okay, now get the Jackson's brush, which is here. You see that's jagged, but I won't push that up. Now we want some darker greens, so the paint's grey and the yellow. Take off some of the moisture. Into a green here. Not my favourite paper. It's not as forgiving as the as the Fabriano. But you get that serrated edge. Can give you nice bits of grass. Oh, I've been abolished on Facebook again, not Facebook, on eBay again. I'm sure it's because I've got a username that I don't recognise. So my daughter's coming over. She's going to give that a good look. She works online. Security, online security for an American company, so she's well clued up with all this and all the scams that they get up to, and I think I've been scammed. But she will have to have a look at it. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, just adding a little bit of illusion of detail. We can make a little bit more of that foreground with the rigger. Probably done too much of this. It's not as random as I'd hoped. And if you look at grass, you usually see in between the green you've got this raw sienna, near the ground, which reminds me I've got to cut the grass for the first time since September. It's about, it's quite, I could get lost there. Right, still recording. Well, I'll get a bit of that darker colour and just indicate, just a hint, a touch of darker colour. Okay, put bird in. So I think this is just a tutorial of sky painting and doing trees on the horizon by using 3 primaries, the cabin red, the light red, the ultramarine, and the cabin yellow, pale. So I don't use the cabin red in my watercolours. Okay, well, we'll let that go. Put a mount on it. It's not very, not a good one for a Saturday morning, but I'm sure you'll get something out of it. So what we're going to do now is to put in the mounts and then do a trailer for it on YouTube. Because not everybody's an advanced painter with a degree in fine art. I'm certainly not. Okay, well that's okay. We can foreground's okay. So it's a very simple little painting. I hope you like it. I quite like the sky, but my next one's going to be on the Fabriano, and my mounts are getting a bit battered, as you can see. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your weekend, folks. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your support. Bye bye.